Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss about a very important topic, and that is why learn AI. As we all know, AI is transforming the world. AI is revolutionizing every industry from healthcare to finance and marketing to education. Every industry is being revolutionized by AI. Every company is today adopting AI. By adopting AI, they want to reduce their cost, optimize their process so that they become more profitable. With this large scale adoption of AI by the industries, now today every professional needs to learn AI. Every working professional, whether you are a doctor or an engineer or a teacher, you need to learn AI and adopt AI in your field. I'm sure you have heard that AI is going to replace the jobs. But do you know what is the reality? The reality is today AI will not replace your job, but people using AI might replace you. A teacher using AI will replace a teacher not using AI. Therefore, you should learn AI and implement AI in your field. You can use AI tools and LLMs like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Perplexity AI to do your daily task, thereby increasing your productivity and creativity. AI can help you streamline your workflows, automate your tasks, thereby increasing your productivity and creativity and making you more efficient at your task. Therefore, AI is no more a choice. Whether you are an organization or an individual, you need to learn AI and adopt AI in your field and in your organization. Whether you're a doctor, engineer, or a teacher, you need to learn AI and use AI in your daily tasks. So I hope we have understood why we should learn AI. In upcoming videos, we will see how we can use AI tools, AI LLMs, and implement those in our fields. Thank you.
Subscribe for more content.